Hey guys, welcome back, and here is an awesome collection of Arduino projects that you can try right now. Take your Arduino skills to the next level using these awesome DIY projects. These projects are really cool, very easy to make, and are perfect if you are planning to take part in science fair or exhibitions. Complete details including the circuit diagram, codes, and the PCB files are all open and available. If you want more DIY robotics projects, there are a lot of tutorials on our channel. You're gonna love it there. Complete tutorials and resources for each and every project are there in the description down below. So let's get started. This is Time Catcher. Using this glove, you can make something looks like it's frozen in time move backwards and forwards through time by simply tilting your hands. This is a simple Arduino project that you can make using just an Arduino, accelerometer, and some LEDs. First, you can try to make it on a breadboard, and if it works, you can make your own custom PCBs. It won't take more than 10 minutes. I will provide all the resources so that you can redesign the entire thing, customize it, and then make your own version of it. Everything will be in the description, so make sure you check it out. The next project is an awesome Arduino rocket launcher. In this project, I'm gonna show you how I made this DIY rocket launcher using an Arduino, some servo motors, and some cheap components. Using this, you can control the direction as well as launch the rockets one by one using your mobile phone. First, we will make something like a stand that can be rotated to control the direction and to place the rocket. After that, we will make the rocket igniter using matchstick to fire the rockets. Once we have done that, we will code our Arduino to control our robot using mobile phone. Now, all you have to do is fix the rocket launcher somewhere outside, and you have to make sure it won't fall off during the launch. So check it out, guys. Alexa, turn on light 1. Alexa, turn on light 2. Alexa, turn off light 1. Alexa, turn all the lights on. Alexa, turn all the lights off. So guys, this is Alexa based home automation system using Arduino. Basically, it is a smart home system which can be used to control electronic devices using voice commands in our home, using Alexa in our Amazon devices like Echo Dot or Alexa app in your smartphone. In the tutorial, we will be providing you with complete instructions including the circuit diagram, the codes, and the PCB files if you want to make a PCB and make your own version of it. Now, we are going to make our smart home a bit more smarter. This is a mobile phone controlled plant watering system. We will be using IoT features of Arduino to water the plants using our mobile phone. Here, we will be using 3 pumps to pump water from the reservoir to the plant pot. And we will be controlling these pumps using a simple mobile app which can be used for home automation as well as robotics. We can use relays to turn on and off the pump, or if you want, you can use any switching elements such as BJTs, MOSFETs, or even optocouplers. You can do this project on a breadboard, or if you want, you can go ahead and make a PCB. And of course, we will provide you with complete instructions in our step-by-step tutorial. Sounds cool, right? Of course it's cool. Check it out. This is an automatic hand sanitizer dispenser using Arduino. As you all know, COVID-19 is spreading like wildfire, and all you hear is wear a mask, clean your hands, use contactless alternatives, and practice social distancing. Hand sanitizer is one of the best ways to get rid of all the harmful germs and viruses in our hands. We will build an automatic hand sanitizer dispenser that will help you dispose hand sanitizer without any contact. If the hand is close to the dispenser, Arduino will activate the pump and the sanitizer will be expelled out of the bottle through the tube. All you need is a pump, Arduino, and an ultrasonic sensor. Here is an LED POV display using Arduino and some LEDs. In simple terms, persistence of vision is our eye's property of keep seeing or illusion of seeing an image of something for a fraction of a second even after the object has moved out of sight. In this project, we will make use of this principle to get an illusion of seeing actual letters by spinning an array of LEDs that are glowing in a specific pattern. Here, we turn on and off LEDs in such a way that different glowing images overlap each other, forming alphabets. The best thing about this project is you can do this project with or without PCBs. It's a cool project, right? This is something you can do for your science exhibition. Next, we have a remote controller using Arduino. This is a long-range remote controller which can be used to control various types of robots like this pick-and-place robot. We also have a complete tutorial where you will learn how to build a robot and connect a robotic arm on top of it and control it using our remote controller. Well, not just pick-and-place robot. Remember the 6-wheel drive off-road robot tutorial we uploaded earlier? That is also controlled using this remote controller. If you want to make a PCB for that remote controller, you can do that by simply following our tutorial. This is a gesture-based media controller that can be connected to any computer running any OS. Using this gesture controller, you can control the media player using simple hand gestures. You can start or play or pause the song, go to next song, play previous song, increase, reduce and mute volume. You can connect it to PC's USB port and it will act as an HID or a human interface device. All you need is a gesture sensor and an Arduino that is capable of acting as HID. This is an Arduino home safety monitor to identify LPG leakage, temperature rise, ambient light, humidity and pressure of your home, especially the kitchen, and you can see these data in these interactive dashboards in real time. This is another simple home automation system that's a little bit similar to the previously shown home automation system using Arduino and Alexa. The difference here is we don't need Alexa for controlling electronic devices. You can control the lights and other electronic devices using just your mobile phone. There is an app that is available in Play Store which can be used to make a lot of DIY robots and home automation systems. Using that, you can simply enter the IP address of your Arduino, establish a connection to it, and control all the devices connected to it with the tap of a button. The link to the complete tutorial is in the description. And now, we have another plant watering system using Arduino Opla kit. This system mainly consists of an Arduino Opla IoT kit where we connect the moisture sensor and the pump. The moisture sensor will continuously monitor the water content of the soil and the value of the moisture level will be updated to the Arduino IoT Cloud. We can use Arduino IoT Cloud dashboard to check the moisture content and turn on and off a pump that is connected to the water reservoir. We can also set the pump to turn on automatically when the water level goes below a particular threshold. How about building a cheap, basic and a simple line follower without using Arduino? Yes, a line follower without microcontroller. That means no coding. Here, we will build a simple line follower using L293D or L298N motor driver, 2 IR sensors and just 2 DC motors. First, we will take a look at the working principle of IR sensor, which is a crucial element of this project. Once we figure out how it works, we will set the robot frame and connect the motors. After that, we will take a look at the connection details, including the circuit diagram and how you can connect these components together. Once it's done, just power on the board. And there you have it, a simple line follower without any coding at all.